Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Indian Oil Corporation kalabu thong ban penyo ya kitendong air shed jing shed shaki long yeng ki bahap hapo ulan ga jingduk ne below poverty line jong jila Meghalaya lengba ka scheme Pradhan Mantri Ujawala Yojana hapo ubnai leber mentau snem. Assistant Manager ka Shillong LSA Indian Oil Corporation Manish Kumar Sa hagaji keren batkilar pathai kubor ne ka singi ka nyutarik bunai kala lengkot arjar khat kandai ulai tu bayagane ka scheme bala penbena pai ba do menteri rangba do kari Narendra Modi hagashitarik bunai jemmang arjar khat nrio on pentre comeback tik tang nak benta ki longyeng ki beduk jongkane ka jela Meghalaya. Ulaong kitu ki longyeng ki beduk ki bakwa ban yo yakani ka scheme ki la ban yo ya ka form bala tip kum ka know your customer but ban pharu ya ki jingtip ki babnya but kuntup ru ya ka ration card ne ka bank account sha ka office jong ka IOC.
The LPG connection can also be given to all those beneficiaries whose name is not there in the SCCC 2011 list and those who are not falling under the 7 criteria that SCST, AAY or forest dwellers or the most backward classes or the T tribes. If they are not able to include themselves in the SCCC list or the 7 criteria, they can also still get the LPG connection by giving ration card, bank account, and there is a 14-point exclusion criteria which is available along with the KYC form with each distributor. The beneficiary has to just sign on that 14-point exclusion criteria that says a BPL and we can release the connection. So the criteria has been relaxed now. Recently, this has been done very recently. Now the connections can be given to each and every household. That is why it is saying that clean fuel, universal clean access to all. Actually the distributors are doing LPG panchayats. They are going to village levels and they are doing the clinics and all, and they are submitting the KYC forms in the village level also. Alternately, the beneficiary can also go to the nearest LPG distributorship, any distributor, to the nearest distributor and go and submit, and they can ask for Pradhan Mantri Ujwala KYC form. With the KYC form, they have to submit only 2 documents. One is the bank account and other is the ration card. And one 14-point exclusion criteria that will be given by the distributor also that they have to sign. When they sign on that 14-point exclusion, they certify that they are BPL. Once they certify that they are BPL, they are eligible to get the free deposit LPG connection. So this under this we call it expanded PMUI. So under this expanded PMUI, the eligibility criteria has been relaxed a lot. So any people holding ration card is eligible to get the deposit free LPG connection now.